Kylie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this peachy festive kind of a look. So if you are interested, please continue watching. Starting off with Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This primer has a powdery texture. It helps to minimize the pore and it creates a smooth skin surface for further makeup application. Firstly, I'm just going to apply it on my pores, and then whatever is left I'm going to apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match foundation. This foundation itself is very hydrating, so it gives you a within glow. Also, it gives you a fair medium coverage. For blending the foundation, I'm going to use this beauty blender from Color Bar. All the product details will be mentioned below in description in case you want to check it out. Next, I'm going to apply Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on my dark circles, eyelids and dark spots wherever it is necessary. Then I'm going to blend everything together. Now this is a very crucial step which I follow. This is going to lock your base for good 3 to 4 hours. The setting spray which I am using today is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water. Next, I am quickly going to fill in my eyebrows, and I am using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in dark brown shade. Moving on with eye makeup, I am using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and then with the help of this flat angular brush, and I am picking up this orange shade and I am applying it all over my crease area, trying to create a wing with it. But you don't need to worry about it being precise because we can clean up further. I'm going to just blend it all over. Next, I'm going to pick up this coral shade and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it all together to look it seamlessly. It's all about blending and blending. The eyeshadow is going to look more good if it has been blended well. Then I'm just going to blend the harsh edges. With the help of this flat brush, I'm going to pick up this dark red color and applying it all over my eyelid. And then just going to blend it all together. Now this is the very last step where I am going to clean up the harsh edges for that very sharp wing effect. And just going to blend everything together to look it like one. Next, I am going to draw a wing eyeliner. I am using Lakme Instant Black Eyeliner. Just drawing a line very close to my lash line. I just don't want to make it very bold. Next, I am going to apply a basic kajal, and this is from K Beauty, and I am going to apply it really close to my waterline and connecting it to the inner and outer corners, as you can see. Now I'm going to use Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm not doing any harsh contouring over here, just going to warm up my face little so that it look defined. Next I'm going to use a highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild and I'm going to use it on bridge of my nose, on my cheeks and chin. You really need to be careful if you're using this because it is really pigmented, as you can see. Next I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You have to take your own sweet time to do this because lashes really change the game. Next I'm going to apply a lipstick. This is from Maybelline Liquid Matte and it is in shade Sensational Me. Next I just felt that this color was too pink and that's why I'm just going to add this pinkish nude color from Nykaa. This is in shade Naughty Nude. I'm just going to apply it on the center of my lips. Finally, just completing the look with bindi. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.